allows you to manage your Office 365 profile and to discover and organize the information that's mostly used by your colleagues in your organizations and store it in Office 365 services such as Planner, SharePoint, OneDrive, etc. Now suppose there is an appreciation letter from one of your customers on Dell which is most trending, and now as a manager you want to appreciate your team members for whom that letter was. So for this you tend to mail them, which can cause congestion in your inbox. To help you out in this situation, there is a feature called Talk About This on Yammer available in Microsoft Dell, which allow you to discuss on a particular document in Yammer, and you can appreciate your colleagues on Yammer with just few clicks. So let me show how you can leverage this feature in your organization. For this, go to your online portal and click on Dell from here. Once you clicked on it, you will be able to see various documents on your Dell portal. As you can see that I have already opened my Dell application. Now suppose when I scroll down and I want to discuss on this particular document, if I open this document, you can see this is the appreciation letter and it will look like this. So to communicate on this document in Yammer from Dell application, I'll go back to my Dell application, and from here I'll click on more options on this particular document card. A list of options will appear. From this list of options, I'll click on this option, Talk About This on Yammer. If I click here, once I clicked on this option, you can see a window will appear in right hand side of the page. So here I'll write the text which I want to attach with this document. After writing the text, I'll add a group or people whom I want to appreciate. You can add a Yammer group also. So I'll add this group, Foetron L&D. Remember one thing, if you are tagging both members and group, then select those members only. Those are part of that group which you want to add here. After this, I'll click on this option, Post. So you can see it is showing that this document has been posted. I can like the conversation from here, reply on this conversation from here, edit the conversation from here if I want to. I don't want to edit it now, so I'll click on this option, Save. Other than this, if I want to view this conversation in Yammer, so I'll click on this option, View Conversation. So it will take me to my Yammer group, Foetron L&D from here itself. So you can see it has opened this group, Foetron L&D, and this document has been posted over here. I like this conversation from Dell, and you can see it is showing here that you like this. That means here also it's showing me that I have liked this conversation. Now in the navigation bar, these all are my Yammer groups. If I click on this group, Foetron L&D, to check whether this conversation is there or not, so you can see this Word document over here. So this is how you can do Yammer conversations on any Dell document from Dell itself. Hope you like this feature. For more tips and tricks on Microsoft Dell, just subscribe to our YouTube channel, Foetron Cloud Academy. Thank you, and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Foetron Cloud Academy. Thank you.